Hey everyone, this is Max, and today we are going to go over the templates folder and the pre-made templates. The templates folder is in the PT Elite Package 2.0 main folder, and then you scroll down and you'll see templates. On my screen, it's towards the bottom. When you open this, you'll notice a few different folders that are inside of this one folder. There's a CMS color template, the Form 2 PDF template, practice templates, home exercise program, unused templates, low back, lower extremity, mid back and or thoracic spine, neck or TMJ, neurological, pelvic floor, SOAP form doc templates, SOAP template, and upper extremity. Each of these contains a separate template that is used for different things. The CMS color template doesn't need to be modified. It is a Google slide, and inside of it contains the layout for the color CMS 1500 form. These placeholders are filled in when you use the clearinghouse, and it will make a PDF from this template. Form 2 PDF template. The Form 2 PDF template is again used when a patient submits a intake form, and it will replace all of these placeholders with the answers in the Form 2 PDF tab on the PT Data Center 2.0. You should have modified this already to have all of your assignment of benefits and different policies updated, as well as any updated questions that you added towards the end of section 13 and 14 of the intake form. Practice templates. This area specifically has the Google Sheets class for healthcare workers and also a template of the SOAP note where you can copy and paste it here. When you copy and paste it, you'll be able to make that copy and try and experiment and make that into your own template for your own clinical use. The home exercise program is an example of how you can incorporate a home exercise program, but we'll get into this in a little bit. Unused templates is an area where you can place templates that you do not use or that you will not need. The rest of these are all pre-made templates that I have made upon request from other clinicians, as well as other clinics have hired me to make. They are available for you to use. You'll notice here this is the intake form. This is section 12. And what area of the body will be treating. The answer will copy the folder by the same name into the new patient folder. You can delete that bolded area when you've gotten this far, as you don't want the patient to be reading that. The neck or TMJ, if that answer is selected and the patient submits that form, it will take the neck and TMJ or TMJ, and it will copy this and place all of the patient information into these two templates. The last thing that we want to talk about before we get into a deep dive into each of the tabs within the pre-made templates is the SOAP form doc templates. And so the SOAP form doc templates are pre-made templates. Again, these are just examples. I haven't used this system yet. This is brand new for version 2.0, but I think it will be really beneficial to everybody who's using it. If we look at the eval, you can see that there are placeholders available here. And when it says DB, that means that it's going to be running off of the database tab. And when we come down here, you can see other areas that are in brackets for placeholders as well. And that's going to be coming from the form that is submitted. So each Google Sheet now has a Google form attached to it, as you can see. When a patient submits their intake form, this is all created automatically. And what you'll notice is that if we come into the template and we were to add a trigger, and then we go ahead and we manage the form. So you can see here when we open the form that the options that you have available to you match exactly the options in this SOAP form doc template. What the program does is that we're able to select on eval, and we're able to answer all of these questions. All right, and now when we click submit, we go back into Max Shipping folder. We'll click refresh. There, and now you can see that the new eval has been made. all of the information that is inside the Google Sheet database in columns J and K are now replaced with the values that we saw in the template. And then the values in the SOAP note are also replaced for the curly brackets that we see above here. So it creates this Google Doc that you can now add to, edit later, or you can also save as a PDF and keep it in your records for that session. It's just another way for you to be able to create new docs and be able to answer questions a little bit easier than having to scroll through a whole eval and click on each button. It's a little bit more mobile friendly. All right. And with that, what we're going to do is that we're going to get into each of the pre-made templates. Each of the pre-made templates comes with a basic flow. The following tabs are always included: intro, database, templates, CMS input, outcome measures, superbill, eval, treatment, and SOAP form. These tabs work together to automate all of the data integration, document creation, and the billing process by leveraging all of the information stored from the data center. Follow along in this next video to learn more about the intro tab.